What up, guys? Welcome to Mama Tries. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to work with these little palm tree kind of little mold things. Now, this is normally for ice, but I figured, you know what, this would be kind of cute as a keychain. So I'm going to mix some 2-part resin, and we're going to put some green, and we're going to make ourselves some palm trees. All right, and what I figured is I'm going to also mix some green glitter just to make it pop a little bit more. But I thought these would be cute as little keychains and stuff. So let's get started, guys. So I got my 2-part resin out. So I'm going to mix a pretty good amount of each of these. And I'm going to actually use these cups this time and then pour it into here. That way I have a little bit more control. All right, I'm going to be doing 25 milliliters in each. Okay, so that's up to 25 milliliters. And here's another 25 milliliters. And that's of the hardener. And my babies have come home, y'all. School is out for the day or for the weekend or for, you know. So now my babies are here. They're going to be going cuckoo, and I'm going to stir for the next 2 to 3 minutes before we start adding the pigment and stuff in here. So I'm going to go and do that. Okay, so I've already gotten everything in there, or mixed up in there. Goodness gracious, I can't speak today. So here's my green. Now I'm going to do the light green opposed to this dark green because I think this would be too dark for something more tropical, and we're trying to have a little fun with this. So I'm just going to shave a bit in here. It's a bit on the light side, so let's keep going. I might have to add a little bit of that dark green, only because I don't want it too see-through, but I don't want it too solid either, so it's like maybe a little bit of the dark will help. So there we go. There we go. I think that's bringing in a little bit more eye-catchiness in there. Let's see. It's kind of like murky green. Okay. Now I got 2 different kinds of green. I have Verde Light and Aquamarine Crystal. Now this one has like a blue, green, silver type look, so I figured if I mix those 2, that'd be really pretty. And this is the Martha Stewart glitters. I had gotten this as a gift, but I've seen something similar to these in Michael's in the past. I don't know if they still sell it though. But these are very fine pigments, or very fine glitters. Hello. I can speak today. Let me add a little bit of this. All right. So, and that's just trying to build some contrast in there. Okay. Sprinkle the rest in. And now I stir. Now I just put enough so that it would just sparkle a little bit, not too much. So there's how it looks. So now we're going to pour this in here, and hopefully I have enough to do several. I have a child peeking at me. Okay, so I probably only have enough to do, realistically, 3. I don't mind having a small little one. Oh, we might be able to get 4 if I scrape the ends of this. I almost am getting almost 4. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now we know that 25 milliliters covers just about 4 of these super deep ice trays. I'm just going to try and scoop all this to go in there. I'm so excited now that I know that. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to toss that away. And I'm going to hit these with the lighter. Now, whenever you do a 2-part resin, you always want to keep an eye on it and try to pop the bubbles as much as possible. Keep coming back to it as you can, because slowly as it's curing, it's going to rise. So as it's rising, you pop the bubbles. See, I just hit it with the lighter and it's already starting to rise again. So, excuse me. So I'm just gonna kind of tap around because sometimes that helps me getting some of these bubbles up. And when these are 100% cured, I will demold them for you guys and show you how it looks. Hey guys, welcome to Mama Tries. I wanted to show you guys this. The resin is finally done, so I wanted to demold them. So hopefully these will work out really nice for charms. And so far it seems pretty nice. It has some glitter speckles and stuff on this side. It's very shiny on this side. I think I'm going to level this out, pour a little resin here so that way it's not so rough. And then just smooth out this side with some resin as well so that way it's shiny as well. So that's one. They're pretty deep, so this works really nice for keychain type things. Okay, here goes another. This one has a little more specks of the green chunks of soft pastels that got stuck in there. And that one doesn't have any. Wow, look at that. All right, so there's those. Those are all the palm trees. I hope you like that one. Like I said in another video, I'm going to try and work on some more resin type things, whether it be keychains or it be coasters, jewelry pieces. There's one idea that I seen with a paper turtle and loading up the resin on top of that with seashells and stuff like that and sand that I do want to try eventually. If you want to see that idea and you want to see how that works, let me know. This is kind of cool. Look how big that is. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, share my channel, get some more subscribers on here. If you haven't already, subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you're notified when new videos are posted. Okay, guys? I will see you guys later.